Welcome to all my new and returning subscribers to my Southern Kitchen, the 326th episode and the 4th episode of Ellen's Christmas Series 2019. I'm Ellen. Hope all you're doing well. Red velvet is a Southern staple during the holidays. Whether it's red velvet cake, red velvet cookies, red velvet pancakes, you name it. But how does a red velvet cheesecake sound? That's right, sugar. Today's recipe, I'm going to show you how to make red velvet cheesecake from scratch. And my friends, this delightful dessert is the bomb.com. It's going to be so rich, decadent, full of red velvet flavor, simple and easy to make. And we're going to top it with a homemade whipped cream frosting on it. If you're a fan of red velvet and cheesecake, y'all gonna love this recipe and in for a treat. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. And also check out my Christmas treats playlist and also my red velvet playlist for more recipes. So grab your red food coloring, your cream cheese, and your springform pan sugar, because we're about to bake some red velvet cheesecake magic in my Southern kitchen. Here we go. Alright my friends, the first step we're going to do is make the crust. In my bowl, I have 17 chocolate flavored Oreos that I crushed, or you can use 1.5 cups of chocolate flavored graham cracker crumbs. And we're going to add in 1 tablespoon of white sugar, and 4 tablespoons, which is a half a stick of unsalted butter that I melted. Going to give that a quick stir until it's nice and well combined. Alright my friends, I'm through stirring my Oreo crumbs. Now ready to pour it into the springform pan. We're going to pour it in a 9-inch springform pan that I greased with cooking spray and lined with foil. Alright my friends, I have poured the crust onto the pan and I spread it around. So now we're going to set the crust aside while we work on the filling. Alright my friends, now it's time for the best part, the filling. In my large bowl, I have 2 8-ounce packages of salted cream cheese and 1 8-ounce carton of cream cheese spread. And we're going to add in 1.5 cups of white sugar. And my cream cheese spread is also at room temperature. And we're going to cream all this together until it's fluffy. Alright my friends, next we're going to add in 4 jumbo eggs at room temperature that are lightly beaten. Mix that in. Alright my friends, now it's time to add in the last few ingredients. We're going to add in 1 cup of full fat sour cream that let come to room temperature. Going to give the cheesecake a little extra body. 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. 1 teaspoon of red velvet flavor. A half a cup of buttermilk that let come to room temperature. 1 teaspoon of white vinegar. 3 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder, a must-have in red velvet, and of course, 1 fluid ounce bottle of red food coloring. And we're going to mix all these ingredients together until it's nice and well combined. Alrighty my friends, our red velvet cheesecake batter is complete. Look at that beautiful red color. Nice, smooth, and silky. I love the smell of red velvet. Alright, that looks great. Now we're ready to pour it into our Oreo crust. Alright my friends, I have poured the cheesecake batter on top of the crust and I put it in a pan filled with hot water. And the foil helps it from sipping in. Now we're ready to bake it. We're going to bake it in the preheated 325-degree oven, and we're going to let it bake for 10 minutes. And then after 10 minutes, we're going to reduce the heat to 300 degrees, and we're going to bake it for 1 hour and 15 minutes until it's firm around the center. All right, I'll bring you back. Alright my friends, I have taken my cheesecake out of the oven. And it smells awesome in this kitchen. And then I removed the foil off and from the pan. And I set it on the wire rack. So now we're going to let it cool for 30 minutes. Alright my friends, it's been 30 minutes. And we're going to let it chill overnight. Alright, I'll see you tomorrow. Alrighty my friends, it's the next day and our red velvet cheesecake is nice and firm and chill. And now it's time for the icing. Over here I made a whipped cream icing, which is 4 ounces, which is a half a package of cream cheese that let come to room temperature, half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, 3 tablespoons of powdered sugar, and 1 cup of cold heavy whipping cream. And I just whip it until it's well combined and reaches white peaks. So now we're just gonna frost it right on top. And just spread it all over. Like so. Alright my friends, there you have it. Red velvet cheesecake. Look how pretty that looks. That looks so scrumptious. Alright, so now I'm going to put it back in the refrigerator and let it chill for a few minutes. And then I'll fix me up a plate and I'll give it a taste. Alrighty my friends, I have fixed me up a plate, got me a great big southern slice. Now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Come to mama. Ooh yeah, look at that texture. Mmm. I'm in red velvet heaven. It's creamy. Love the oreo crust and the whipped cream frosting on it. Divine. Please give this recipe a try. Y'all gonna enjoy this. This deserves another bite. Just melts in your mouth when you bite into it. Yum-o. Red velvet cheesecake delicious. My friends, many thanks so much for watching and joining me in my southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video and this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. And I'll see you next time. Let's eat. Much love. Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays.